Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the installer media and telling the PC to boot from it. Insert the Windows 10 USB or DVD and reboot. While the system restarts, press the correct boot key for your machine, F12, ESC, or F2, and choose the installer device. Once done, the Windows setup screen appears. Make sure Secure Boot or Fast Boot won't block the media. Disable Secure Boot in UEFI if the installer won't run. You're now at the Windows setup screen ready for the next step. When the Windows setup window is visible, press Shift plus F10 and a command prompt opens. This is how you access advanced tools before installation. You can run diskpart to view or modify partitions, use bootrec to fix boot records, or run bcdboot to rebuild boot files. Use Dire, Notepad, and Regedit as lightweight inspection tools. Make sure you understand each command. Disk operations are destructive. If you need to mount drives, identify the correct volume letters first to avoid accidental data loss. After running necessary commands, type exit to close the command prompt and continue the graphical setup, or reboot to test changes. If Windows still fails to boot, run bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild in sequence. These repair the boot record and BCD store. Make sure the USB installer is formatted for your firmware, FAT32 for UEFI, NTFS for legacy in some tools. If nothing works, double-check BIOS settings, cable connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.